for the Masters of Design in Communication Design, the Masters of Design in Graphic Design, and the Masters of Design in Photography. Paul Stickley.
Director, Principal and Vice-Chancellor, the following students who are unable to attend today's ceremony have been found worthy to receive the award of Masters of Design in Communication Design. Tess Elizabeth Barnard. Tess has also received a Pass with Merit. Laura Jane Frame. Laura has also received a Pass with Merit. Nadine Katib. Christopher Kohler. Christopher has also received a Pass with Distinction. And Kathleen Martha Sickard. Director, Principal and Vice-Chancellor, I present to you these persons who have been found worthy to receive the award of Master of Design in Graphic Design. Gunjan Alawat. Gunjan has also received a Pass with Merit. Shah Lee. Shah Lee has also received a Pass with Merit. The following student who was unable to attend today's ceremony has also been found worthy to receive the award. Kelly Chilton. Director, Principal and Vice-Chancellor, I present to you these persons who have been found worthy to receive the award of Master of Design in Photography. Robert Colin Davis. Daniele Sambo. Daniele has also received a Pass with Merit.